Hello friends, this is the third part of Generic in Java video tutorial. In last video we had an example which the type parameters could be replaced by any class type. Many times it is okay, but sometimes you should limit the types that can be passed to a type parameter. For example, you want to create a generic class that contains a method which calculates the average of an array of numbers, and you want to use the class to obtain the average of an array of any type of number, including integers, floats, doubles. So you want to specify the type of the numbers generically, using a type parameter. In this video, we want to learn how to do this. To handle such situations, Java provides bounded types. When specifying a type parameter, you can create an upper bound that declares the superclass from which all type arguments must be derived. In this situation, we should use of an extends clause when specifying the type parameter like this. It shows that T can only be replaced by superclass or subclass of superclass. So it defines an inclusive upper limit. Let's see an example. Because the type T is now bounded by number, the Java compiler knows that all objects of type T can call double value method, because it is a method declared by number. This is a very important advantage. Also, the bounding of type T also prevents non-numbering calculation objects from being created. In addition to using a class type as a bound, you can also use an interface type. In fact, you can specify multiple interfaces as bounds. Furthermore, a bound can include both a class type and one or more interfaces. In this case, the class type must be specified first. When a bound includes an interface type, only type arguments that implement that interface are legal. When specifying a bound that has a class, an interface, or multiple interfaces, use the ampersand operator to connect them. Here you can see that I have a simple interface with a simple method of say hello. My class here implements my interface and overrides say hello method. Also, it has another method of say goodbye. Now I change the class calculation in order to accept just my class and my interfaces. Here is my calculation test class. You can see that it just accepts my class or any class that extend or implement my interface and my class. If I change this line, like before, you will see that it will give us an error.